planets are all going eastwards or anti-clockwise as seen from top around the sun. So this eastward motion is called direct motion. But sometimes as all these planets go eastward, a particular planet in a particular position might be seen going westward. So that motion, that relative motion is called retrograde motion of the planet. We will see how it happens in case of, say, inferior planet Venus and superior planet Jupiter. All the planets go in eastward motion as they revolve around the sun. Eastward means anti-clockwise as seen from north of the solar system. These planets have their own motion and there is an apparent motion. The Earth itself is moving eastward. As we see from the Earth, these planets, they go in eastward motion, that is a direct motion, but sometimes, at times, they appear to go in retrograde motion, that is the westward motion. How it happens, let us see first in case of an inferior planet, that is Venus, and then we will see what happens in case of Jupiter. Sun, orbit of Venus, and then this is orbit of Earth. This is the celestial sphere on which we are going to project the Venus. Now let us study the movement of Venus, as the Venus is over here, V1, and then Venus comes to V2, and then Venus goes to V3. Because Venus is an inferior planet, orbital period of Venus is less than Earth. For a small period of observation, let us assume that Earth is stationary here and only the Venus is moving. While the Venus is here at V1, its position on the celestial sphere will be over here. When the Venus moves to V2, the position would shift to V2 on the celestial sphere, and when the Venus comes to V3, the position comes to V3. So we've seen Venus going eastward and then to westward. So this westward motion of the Venus is called retrograde motion. Now let us see what happens in case of Jupiter. This is the Sun, orbit of Earth, orbit of Jupiter, and the celestial sphere. Now because Jupiter's sidereal period is much more than the Earth's sidereal period for a small period of observation, we'll assume that the Jupiter is fixed here and it is only the Earth which is moving from position 1 to 2 to 3. When the Earth is over here, the Jupiter will be seen over here in the celestial sphere. When the Earth comes here, Jupiter will be seen at J2, and when the Earth comes here, Jupiter will be seen at J3. We can see the movement of Jupiter this way and then this way, which means that because of the relative motion due to the old movement of Jupiter added with the Earth's movement, Jupiter will be seen going westward sometimes. Eastward motion is called direct motion and westward motion is called retrograde motion.